it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never run. We hook up in my car.
Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, my name is Ayie. Welcome, guys. In today's video, I just want to show you how I made this look. I don't know how to call this look, but yeah. So basically, it has the shade, or the eyeshadow has two shades in it. Yeah, it has this green and then yellow. So I don't know if you can see it, guys. So see. Yeah, so if you want to know how I made this look, just keep on watching.
We get lost, we can get high. Because me gone, I feel alive. Anywhere, anyway, I will love you. We rule the world, just you and I. Just let me down, we walk the line. But now things go wrong, I'll take a shot for you. Give me your love, give me clouds, never let you go. Give me your love, give me clouds, never let you go. Give me your love. Give me your love. We get lost, we can get high. Because me gone, I feel alive. Anywhere, anyway, I will love you. We rule the world, just you and I. Just let me down, we walk the line. But now things go wrong, I'll take a shot for you. Give me your love, give me clouds, never let you go. Give me your love, give me clouds, never let you go. Give me your love. Give me your love. Give me your love. Give me your love. Never let you go. But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day.
That's it, guys. That is how I made this look, and I hope you like it. And if you do, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe as well, of course, and press the notification bell para pag I have new uploads, you will get notified. So that's it, guys, and I hope to see you again on my next one. Bye.